In my beaker, I have about 150 milliliters of 1% glucose solution. Now I'm putting in about 2.5 grams of sodium hydroxide. If you don't have glucose solution yourself, you could dissolve 1.5 grams of glucose in 150 milliliters of water to make it. It took me a while to dissolve all the sodium hydroxide in the glucose solution because it's not as soluble in it as it is in water. I'm putting it into a flask with a stopper, which will come in handy later. Now I'm putting in a couple of drops of methylene blue to begin the reaction. I'm also putting on the stopper so no more oxygen gets into the flask. Hopefully, after a few minutes, this blue solution should turn clear. So there are a couple of reactions going on here. Because of the basic environment caused by the sodium hydroxide, the glucose turns into enediol. There's also a redox reaction going on where the enediol reduces the methylene blue, meaning it transfers electrons to it. And once the methylene blue is reduced, it becomes leucomethylene blue, which is clear. So in its oxidized state, the methylene blue is blue, and in its reduced state, it's clear. As you can see, our solution is clear, and it should all be leucomethylene blue. In order to turn it back into normal methylene blue, we can oxidize it by shaking it, and now we have the same blue solution as we had before. You can repeat this many times, though eventually it does get exhausted and it turns a yellowish color. Thanks for watching.